Why you need passive income streams. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. Been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to grow your own profitable ATM business. Why would you want to start an ATM business? Bunch of reasons. It's going to be individual for each person, right? They're going to have their own reasons. Some folks want to quit their 9-to-5. Some folks want to supplement their retirement. Some folks want to stop putting out a lot of cash for an investment to make a decent return, and instead want to put a smaller amount of cash out for an investment to make a decent return. Some folks are just tired of working always for their money and finally want to put their money to work for them, right? There's all different reasons why somebody would want to start an ATM business. Why would you want me to help you and Spencer to help you? Because I'm going to save you time, money, and headaches. If you would like me to help you start your own ATM business, Spencer's moving the camera. If you'd like me to help you start your own ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Again, that's atmtrainingvideo.com. Okay, so why should you have passive income streams? Well, you guys should already know how important I feel passive income is to myself and to you, right? So I read that book, 2009, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, where T. Harv Eker says in that book, you become financially free when your passive income exceeds your expenses, right? So we should all have passive income, okay? I don't care what kind it is, just have passive income. And the first goal, I would say, in my opinion, for you should be to have your passive income to exceed your expenses. And then technically you're financially free, right? You don't need to be a millionaire, a billionaire, a billionaire. You just need your passive income to exceed your expenses, okay? Now you can get that with one passive income stream, with two passive income streams, with three, it doesn't matter, right? But I suggest you focus on one passive income stream and then get it fine-tuned and get it working for you and cranking, right? And then go to your next one, focus on that, get it cranking, get it fine-tuned, focus, so on and so forth, right? But times like this, what we're dealing with right now, the coronavirus and the pandemic and everything shutting down, this is why multiple streams of passive income are so important, right? Because our ATM business, this many ATMs, now this many are working, right? This many events normally, now so far some have been canceled, so we don't know how many there's going to be, right? So things, that changes, right? Now, yes, we still have machines going, still have machines making money, but clearly not what we're used to, right? Training business. Again, that's passive income as well. Now, granted, I do a coaching call every week with my students, and I help them on Facebook, but for the most part, it's passive income, that's declined a little bit as well because people are afraid. But the people that know now is the time where they need to jump on something and get going, those folks are still moving and grooving, right? No problem. And we're still welcoming, new students, clearly, when they're ready every day. But not nearly as many as we would be if this pandemic wasn't going on, right? Real estate. I have real estate investments, and I always will. I'm very, open with you guys about that. I'll always be a real estate investor. I'll always be a landlord. Again, I'm not doing the flipping and the wholesaling and all that kind of crap anymore, right? I'm just not into that. I'm more into rentals, right? Fortunately, my tenants have essential jobs, and they're still paying rent, so that's good. And I have other small passive income streams that are coming in. This one cracks me up. Now, this one isn't a crazy amount of money, but any bit of money is awesome, right? But I used to be a full-time realtor with Keller Williams way back in the day, and they have a profit sharing program. I imagine they still have it. I mean, of course they still have it. And I still get money to this day. I haven't been a realtor, and I can't even tell you how long. I still get money to this day from my Keller Williams profit share, right? I also have dividend stocks. Okay, I don't have I should say I do have like normal stocks too, but I also have dividend stocks. Now, if you know anything about dividend stocks, most of the time they only pay you quarterly, and it's nothing major, right? So in order for you to make like a big amount of money in dividend stocks, you're gonna have to invest a bunch of money. Do you know what I mean? So start now and start adding to it Stocks are on sale now, guys. Like, you all should be in there getting dividend stocks. Seriously, stocks are on sale. Okay. So yeah, start now with the dividend stocks. You can start with a little bit of money, but keep putting money in over time, and it'll start building, right? I imagine nobody watching this video on YouTube is going to be able to plop down like $1 million in a dividend stock to make a decent amount of money quarterly. I imagine nobody watching this can do that, right? And if you are, I don't know why you're watching this video. That'd be ridiculous. But start small and start investing in them now. Start investing in these different little passive income streams now. So if something like this ever happens again, you're prepared. Right? Yes, our ATMs are taking a hit. Everybody's ATMs are taking a hit, right? It's not hard to figure that out. Yes, training business might be taking a little bit of a hit. It's nothing major. Everybody's training business, I'm sure, is taking some kind of hit. Not everybody, but a lot of businesses are taking a hit. You know what I mean? Again, that's not rocket science to figure that out. But here's the key, guys. I've been in the ATM business since 2009. I've been into real estate since 1999. I've been training people since 2011. I've been, having that Keller Williams profit share. I mean, that's nothing major, but it still counts. All of these things I've been doing for a long time. I put it in motion a long time ago. So for a moment like this to happen, it's okay. Do you know what I'm saying? I want that for you. That's why I'm making this video today. Like, you need to have multiple passive income streams. It's just, here's the thing. I hope what's going on now, I think we can all agree sucks. But I hope the silver lining out of what's going on right now is that you are realizing that you need to do something different. I hope every single person right now that's going through this pandemic is realizing, oh shit, I need to do something different than what I've been doing. Okay? Let's just count on money from our 9-to-5 job. Ain't going to cut it anymore. It hasn't been cutting it. I've been trying to tell you guys that. I'm sure tons of people have been trying to tell you that. But I'm thinking it takes this pandemic for you to finally realize, yeah, I do need to change things. I do need passive income streams. I need income that doesn't rely on me to go to work. I need income that's going to keep coming in when everything else shuts down. I need income that's going to keep coming in, that while everything is great, that I can keep building up this cash pile and, keep coming in, whether you want to buy gold with it or silver with it or just keep the cash, whatever, it doesn't matter. But you have all these streams, mostly passive income streams, coming in that is getting put into your bank account, that you now have a nest egg. You have an emergency fund. You have everything that you need for a moment like this in the future. I hope that is a silver lining that's coming out of this. You realize you have to do something different. Now is the time to start doing something different. Okay? I don't mean to get all like Debbie Downer on you and whatnot, but I am. Except I'm trying to do it in a positive way, But now's the time to do something different. If you want to get into ATMs, now is the time to learn it, right? You got time. Now, if you're an essential worker, like you're in the medical field, all stuff like that, you probably don't have time, okay? And I'm sorry, But anyone else, You got the time. Now's the time to learn the business, right? You want help? Go to atmtrainingvideo.com. I'll help you become a student, right? You want to do something else, get involved in real estate? Now's the time. Learn. Get a mentor when it comes to real estate. Now's the time. You want to get involved in dividend stocks or stocks in general? Now's the time. Stocks are on sale, guys. Come on. Now's the time. Get a mentor, all right? Get a stock, a dividend mentor. Actually, I sent out an email to folks on my email list not that long ago about this great stock, especially dividend stock training that I joined. Like, it's awesome, right? Whatever you want to do, passive income stream wise, you want to have your own passive income stream by selling some kind of training. Like maybe you, for instance, let's say you're a barber. Guess what? Now's the time to start teaching people how to cut their own damn hair at home and sell that training. I promise you, when all this is done, when all this is said and done, you're still going to have tons of people coming to you because people don't want to cut their hair. But now's the time they would probably pay you to learn how to cut their hair. Same for if you own a hair salon, right? Whatever you're good at. Maybe you're great at baking cakes. I have no idea. Now's the time for you to start teaching other people how to do that. They got nothing but time. They're looking for stuff to do. You know, maybe you're real good at I don't know. I can't even think of something off the top of my head. Maybe you're real good at dog training. I'm just making that up. Now's the time to create a dog training course and teach people how to do that. Do you know what I'm saying? Figure out what you're good at. Figure out what people come to you for when it comes to advice. And start teaching people about it. Start charging people to teach them about it, right? You set that up. Like, here's a great example. This is a perfect example, okay? And hopefully this will help get your wheels spinning. Kathy and I used to belong to this salsa dance studio, right? We used to do salsa and bachata performances and took salsa and bachata dance lessons, right? Well, that studio was shut down because of this, right? And, you know, if you're used to running a dance studio and having your income come in like that and then boom, it's shut down, oh crap, what are you going to do? I've been telling her for years, you need to go online, create a training, and start teaching people all across the world, not just in the studio, this, right? She's finally doing it. Right? She just launched a membership training, and then I'm going to help her with something else. I'll help her with whatever she wants help with, right? But we were we did a Zoom conference, I think it was like 2 weeks ago, and I was giving her ideas and insight and things that she could do. She literally just launched her online membership. I think it was this week. She's already got 10 students. She's already got 10 members, right? And that's just the start. Like, so think about that. She's only got 10 members. I think they're paying $59 a month. So that's $590 a month. When her studio is closed. She's making nothing from her studio right now. But she still has this. Again, I'm sure it's going to be more. Right now, she's making $590 a month because she finally took that knowledge that she has up here, that she's been teaching for years in studio, in person, and she put it online. If she didn't do that, she wouldn't even have that $590. And I'm sure that's going to grow. Small, a little example, but all of you can do this. The strip club, they're shut down, right? I was talking to them. They're figuring out how to go online, okay? Everybody's trying to figure out how to go online now. You guys, you should have an online business. That should be part of your passive income stream. Everybody in this entire freaking world should have an online business. Okay, we're all good at something. Okay, we all can do something, or we have knowledge about something. All right? Now here's the thing I would say. Be ethical about it, right? If you really, let's say you really don't know how to train dogs, but you're going to try to sell a dog training course. Like, don't be like that. You know what I mean? I mean, you're just going to get refunds and refunds and refunds. It's not worth it, right? Be ethical. You know what I mean? You know, a great example is the ATM mentor business, right? There used to be a couple of us. Now there's like a billion of us. somebody could start an ATM business tomorrow, and then, Saturday or Sunday, they're now selling a training. I mean, that kind of stuff is ridiculous. Like, don't be be ethical, be reasonable about it, but really know what you're talking about, right? People see through bullshit, guys. Okay, people see right through bullshit. Okay, so be ethical about it. Have some integrity. Make sure it's something you really know, and you can deliver some value for your new customers, right? So teach something you know. Okay, teach something you're good at. But get yourself an online training. That should be one of your passive income streams. An online training should be one of everybody's passive income stream, in my opinion. Then, of course, you can add an ATM business if you want. You can add real estate if you want. You can add dividend stocks if you want, right? Everybody's coming in to mess up my video now. All right, guys, I'm going to sign off now because they're going to make a bunch of noise. But get you some passive income streams. Start with one, focus, get it fine-tuned, start with your next. Now is the time to learn and put it into action. If you want me to help you with your ATM business, atmtrainingvideo.com. Talk to you soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.